In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company name on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. If you're looking to update your company's name on Indeed, whether because of a rebranding or simply a correction, it's a straightforward process that we can walk through together. First off, log into your Indeed account. Ensure you're using the account that has administrative access to your employer dashboard, as this allows you to make necessary changes. Once you're logged in, you will want to navigate to the employer dashboard. This is where all your job postings and company information live, so it's very important. If you're on the dashboard, look for the company section. This is typically located in the upper navigation menu, but can depend on any recent updates they've made to the interface. It's important to keep your eye out because Indeed occasionally tweaks its layout. After locating the company section, you'll find an option to manage your company's information. Click on this, and you should see various fields containing your company details, including your current company name. Go ahead and click on the Edit button next to your company name. Once you click that, it will allow you to type in your new company name. Before you proceed, take a moment to double-check your new company name for any spelling errors or incorrect formatting. This is crucial because once you update the name, all job postings associated with your account will reflect this name. So, make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear. Once you've entered the new name, it's time to save your changes. Look for a Save button, usually at the bottom or top of the page. Click on that, and voila! Your company name is now updated. However, it's always a good practice to go back to the main dashboard and check if the change has been applied correctly. It can take a little time to update across all of Indeed's platforms, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't change instantly. Just give it a few moments and refresh the page if necessary. You can also check your job postings to ensure they're reflecting the new name. If your company has multiple locations or profiles on Indeed, remember that you'll need to repeat this process for each one individually. Just think of it as a quick tune-up for your brand's presence online. Lastly, if you encounter any issues or the name doesn't seem to change after several attempts, there's no need to panic. Indeed has a support team that's available to help you troubleshoot. You can reach out to them directly through their help section, and they'll guide you on what steps to take. And that's it. Changing your company name on Indeed is easy once you know where to look. Don't forget to keep your profile and job postings updated to reflect any changes in your company. This helps maintain a professional and cohesive brand image, which is key in attracting potential candidates. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found value in it, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your company's new name.